So I'm going to go over a few more details about this video lesson stuff from sophia.org. What's typically going to happen is I'm going to assign you a video lesson ahead of time, and you'll watch that at home by visiting sophia.org and using your login. And immediately after finishing your video lesson, there is a little question form to fill out called a WSQ, and that just stands for Watch, Summarize, Question. You watch the video. I'll ask you a few questions to help you summarize the material that you saw and help you learn it a little bit better from your summary. And then you have an opportunity to ask your own questions. Maybe you don't understand something. You need to have something explained a different way. It'd be your chance to really mention that to me privately in this form, and I'll know that ahead of time so I can better fit the lesson for you the next day. And just here a few thoughts as you go through these videos. You can always pause the video to take some time to write down the notes. You can rewind it. You can go back to just certain spots and just watch certain spots. You can rewatch the whole thing. 2 weeks from now you could watch it again. The whole idea here is that if you're missing something because you just don't understand it, you can watch it again. If you missed a day of class, then you can watch it ahead of time, or you can watch it after the fact. You know, it's really a tool for you to help be responsible and accountable for your learning. And it's expected that you always watch these videos and maybe even re-watch them if needed. It is also expected that you take notes with your videos. So we'll practice that in class a little bit next week, but I do expect you to take what's given and maybe write down the problem in your buff binder and show the steps that were worked out. And if it's unclear how one step led to another, that's where you'd ask a question. And really this is kind of a strategy that you would use going on into college, that you watch a professor do something, or they say something, or they write something down, and you need to kind of start figuring out, well, what do I write down? When is it okay to write something down? And hopefully going through these video lessons that will help you out in that way. And just kind of keep in mind that the whole reason why we're doing this is to benefit you. This is going to help you out so much more in the classroom because you get to always see the lesson. You get to go back and watch the lesson again if you need to, and then when you're actually in class, you get to practice the work yourself, and in a way that you are supported by your peers and you're supported by me, and you'll always have that support to make sure you're doing the right job. And I guarantee you, if you put in the effort, the basic effort that you need to complete those tasks, you will have an absolutely successful year in Algebra 2. And I'm really looking forward to it. So after you finish watching this video, there is a survey for you to fill out, and then when you're done, we'll be moving on to the next thing.